On plantations across the American South, the pig was one of the few animals enslaved people encountered from nose to tail, but rarely by choice. The best cuts were claimed elsewhere. What remained were the parts no one else wanted: ears, snout, feet, and head. From these scraps, enslaved cooks created food that sustained bodies and carried memory. Pig ears were tough and gristly, requiring long boiling before they could be eaten. Slowly simmered, they softened just enough, absorbing salt, vinegar, and heat. They were often chopped and shared, not as indulgence but as nourishment. Pig snout, sometimes called pig snot, was rich in cartilage and collagen. When cooked low and slow, it released flavor and thickness that turned water into broth and scraps into meals. Pig feet were prized not for their meat, but for what they gave back to the pot. Their gelatin transformed thin stews into something filling, something that could stretch across days. Feet were often pickled or braised, preserved when refrigeration didn't exist and hunger had no schedule. Nothing was rushed. Time itself became an ingredient. From the hog's head came hog head cheese, not cheese at all, but a tranche of chopped meat set in its own natural gelatin. It was a lesson in ingenuity. No waste, no excess, only careful hands and patience. Seasoned with whatever could be spared, onions, peppers, herbs, it was sliced and shared, a reminder that even the most discarded parts held value. These foods were not symbols of deprivation alone. They were acts of knowledge. Enslaved people understood anatomy, preservation, and balance long before those words appeared in cookbooks. Every ear, foot, and snout cooked was proof of skill passed quietly through generations. Today, these dishes are often misunderstood or mocked, but their origins tell a different story, one of resilience, resourcefulness, and reverence for life. Cooking the whole hog was not about novelty, it was about survival. And in that survival lived culture, strength, and a deep refusal to waste what little was given. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.